Hey everybody, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Kind of a warm, almost kind of muggy day out there, even though the clouds are increasing, but we're watching that threat for some isolated strong, maybe even some severe storms later this afternoon, though they are going to be incredibly scattered and really widely scattered. Here's a look at the radar and satellite right now, and the first thing you notice is we've got some high clouds moving in, but the storms themselves, not that impressive. It's this broken line back here. Ahead of it, we've got some clouds which are kind of stabilizing things right now, really not making for a big deal out there. Most of our region is in this dark green area, which is the very lowest severe weather threat today. It's referred to as marginal, and today is probably the classic example of a marginal threat. As we look at the futurecast, we'll start the futurecast this morning and go into the afternoon. Notice this line is kind of falling apart because as the storms move east, they're moving into a pretty hostile environment. There's a ridge of high pressure off the east coast, which is backing to the west, and that is going to suppress storm development. So I do think storms will develop back here into the mountains and western North Carolina, but as they push to the east, they're going to have a tough time maintaining themselves. And you can see that in the futurecast. The bigger storms actually develop down here into South Carolina and then along the front. But watch as the front gets closer to Charlotte by about 5 or 6 o'clock this evening, it kind of falls apart. So yes, I do think we will see a couple storms, maybe even some strong storms later this evening into tonight. The overall threat is relatively low. I'll be tracking this, of course, throughout the afternoon and have complete coverage starting today at 4, 5, and 6 on NBC Charlotte. I'll see you then.